everyone. It's New Year's Eve, and I decided to make one more video for the end of the year. Happy New Year to everyone. Wishing you a prosperous and successful trading venture. So what we're doing today is we're going to look at something called RTT setups, reverse tick trend setups. And I have a chart with the NQ on it. By the way, this template will be posted in the Discord. It's a 28-2 Ninja Renko bar. T3, which is a paid indicator. You don't really have to have that. As you can see, it shows the reversals. Ninja CO NCAT dynamic S&R zones shown on here. These zones. That is a free indicator. So let's take a look at something here and see if we can find some of these setups. Actually, this could be a little bit higher time frame bar. And here's an example here. We made a higher low after the open. We've come up here. We've got a little pullback there and a continuation. So what we're looking for, this previous high, we want to break this previous high. So the entry could be here for a good profit up there. See if we can find a better one here. I have not even looked at this chart yet, so a lot of consolidation. Let's go to another day here. Okay, this is an awesome one right here. All right, we're in a downtrend here. We have one pullback there. This is your entry here. Right after the pullback, the continuation of this trend is what we're looking for. So you would go and just put a line here. You could take an entry there. For another one here, you have another pullback here. You'd probably be stopped out of that depending on where your stop was. You could take another entry there. And then this one here is the best one, a little bit of more of a pullback, which is more ideal really. And then you have an entry there. And let's see where that went. That was a huge move down right there. So 60, now from 950 all the way to 8, over 837, way over 100 points, over 400 ticks right there, guys. So this is the kind of entries that you want to find, obviously optimal. Like I said, you want to wait for a pullback. Now, if you have a deep pullback where it pulls way back to 50% or more of the trend that it's in, you want to stay out of that. Let's go to this next day and see here. It's a little early in the morning there, but this one would have qualified this pullback. That was 5:30 Pacific my time, and then you had an entry here. This one worked good. You had a pullback, another entry there. Let's look over here and see what we got here. A lot of consolidation. There's one here that would have qualified. Pull back. You wait till you're above the previous level, and you could enter your long here, take profit. Let's go over here to this gold chart. This has a little more stuff on it. By the way, this is an old template that I just posted it again in Discord. In my Discord, this is gold trading. Here's one here. This is actually on a different time frame, so let's go back here. Just off of here. Here's a good one here. Yeah, this is about the right size pullback you want. Okay, it came right back to the swing and went again. Another one here, a long trade, re-entry up here. Okay, these are definitely 90-95% winners. Depending on where you entry, you're rarely going to get one that doesn't work. Here's the ES chart. Here's a good one. Just right, yeah, 5:30 in the morning, just hour before the open, came up, pulled back. If it would have pulled way back, it wouldn't have qualified, but it pulled back just about the right level. You come in here, you got a great entry right there. Beautiful trade. Let me just go ahead and I'm going to mark this for you right there. And there you go, bam. Let's see if we can find another one. Here's a good one. Beautiful downtrend here. 8 o'clock my time in the morning, Pacific time. You had a pullback here. Could re-enter down here. Or make this, your first entry here. Big run down there. Now, you did have some pretty big pullbacks here where you would have been stopped out, but still just that in itself is a one and done trade really for the day, depending on how many contracts you would put on there. Here's a great example here, a big downtrend. Let's see where this started. Let me move this down. You got a huge trend down, your pullback, and your entry here for a great trade. If you guys will just be patient and wait for these, you're going to have a lot of winners. This is a great example to show you here. This is actually from Matt at Teresa's Trading, and I'm going to talk about him some more later in another video, but you can see these kind of entries, huge downtrend, pullback, perfect level, short there. This one did not qualify. This one here, and then here's another great one, another good one there. These are really small pullbacks, but those would have worked as well. That says too early, not sure why. Here's a good example with consolidation and the breakout. Then you had the reversal, short entry, on move back towards the consolidation. So I think you guys get the idea. Join the Discord for free, and we'll be posting more stuff like this. Everyone have a Happy New Year.